A free financial workshop takes place at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning at Lackawanna College in downtown Hazleton. Joaquim Disla, an economist and clinical psychologist from the Dominican Republic, will discuss the connection between economics and psychology.
Nosotros los seres humanos vivimos constantemente tomando decisiones y vivimos tomando también decisiones económicas que están muy influidas por decisiones y situaciones emocionales. Si no sabemos tomar decisiones económicas racionales, es posible que eso nos lleve económicamente al desastre familiar y se ha podido determinar que de un gran por ciento de las parejas que se divorcian se deben a un mal manejo económico que hacen del dinero en la familia.
All right, and the translation?
We, the human beings, we are taking a lot of decisions every day. We are receiving a lot of emotional situations that are affecting our decisions. He said that, for example, from that decision that they have to take care, sometimes the families are affected for that decision. That's why some families, they don't grow up and they separate. So the problem that we have to fix is about the finance.
The free workshop is sponsored by Dominican House of Hazleton with the support of Community Bank and Lackawanna College. It will be presented in both English and Spanish. Everyone is welcome.